Good old English weather. Raining again. Oh, hello. Come on then. Come on. I've got myself a cushion tonight so I can get down and not hurt my knees. Right, let's open that door. Come on then, my baby girl. How are you, all right? Yeah? Good girl. What do you reckon to the rain again? Good old English rain, isn't it? That's what we need. A little bit more water. Knows what's going on with our weather. Apparently it's supposed to be nice tomorrow though. Don't suppose you care. Okay, what's going on? Oh, it's just somebody on one of those scooters. Biscuit, it's okay, baby. Come on. Biscuit. Come on. Biscuit. Come on, my babe. Well done for protecting me, eh? Well done, I say. You're a lovely girl, aren't you? Glistening with the wet coat. Oh, my stomachs are going again. It's not yours, is it? It's mine. Right, do you want to move on to some chicken then? Yeah? Do you fancy chicken? Yeah? You like your chicken, don't you? Oh, yes. Crikey, you can't get close enough, huh? Good girl. I'll move that out the way a minute because you're not having any more sandwich. Not when we've got lots of goodies here, haven't we? Yes. Nice. You get hungry there? Are you? I think you are. Excuse my shoe being in the shot there. There. No, she's not in the mood for a fuss. Let's move my shoes then. Come on. You don't want to fuss then, no? Okay, that's fair enough. There's obviously a lot going on outside. Are you done? There we go then, she's going to go back to her spot. Sit and sniff, so fingers crossed we'll see her a bit later when she comes back for her raw chicken. Okay folks then, that was Biscuit. Right, bye for now.